Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Hello, and welcome to Young Trombones and Trumpets, mostly trombones though, and I'm looking at the Accelerators of Book 1 of Standard of Excellence. And first thing I'm going to do, take off my Burt Ward mask. And I'm going to play 4A at about this tempo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Focusing on a solid, stable sound, steady air, and here we go to 4B. Use these in reference with the lines in the front of your book. 1, 2, rest, breathe. 1, 2, 3. Right, so from 4B now we transfer to 12A. 12A, they're still showing us the B flat, the flat in front of the notes, but not in the key signature, and we're working on half notes here. Always a deep breath. B, very similar to what we just did, but instead of D, C, D, we get D, C to the B flat. One, 2, 3, 4, and off. We are jumping now to 23A, so we're pretty much doubling our numbers there. And in 23A, we're working on the 1, the B flat through the 5, and using just those 5 notes between there and not getting into how chromaticism works. Those are just the only notes we've learned in this book so far. Right, and here we go. 23A, 1, 2, 3, and... And here's 23B. Just like 12B, very similar, but not exactly the same. I will be using the 6th position C instead of the trigger. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.